Hello and welcome to the Old Dub Shop. Just a little Baja update. Let's have a look at the newest edition. Good afternoon, Mr. Michael.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Right off.
What have you done?
Make it work. It's normal. Yeah, so welded up and made nice roof wrap.
Where'd the roof
Heavy
rack come
duty.
from?
I believe it's one of our Spencer's brilliant eBay buys, which was designed for a Volkswagen Beetle, but I believe probably more like for a Vauxhall Viva. It didn't fit, not even close if I'd bolted down, but we would have took the roof skin off. So that was it. Made that fit, bolt 10 bucks for 10 bucks done. Really, really good 10 bucks. I don't know if you know, optionally, you can have two options with these roof boxes. They can come singly as they are with all the parts, or option two, they come with a
Mr. Spencer, you look very comfortable.
we obviously got option two.
Lucky.
How's it looking up there, bud? Let's have a look.
This is great. So much room for activity.
Comes with a mattress and everything.
Yeah. Oh, right. Off and going to sleep. Oh, it's lights. It's got fairy lights. No. Right, that's it.